Rosa del Monte, we have a church that's called Our Lady of Lourdes or Grotto Church. Do you want to know what is the history and the story behind all of this church? Come on, let's see what is the story of this church.
According to the Catholic Church, the Virgin Mary appeared at young woman in Lourdes in 80s. In the year 1965, partners known as Horacio Guanzon and Anita Gigote Guanzon built the Grotto Church.
So Guidote Guanzon, whose familiar roots traces to wealthy families in Bulacan, Pampanga, and Nueva Ecija. Guidote Guanzon, whose after being cured by cancer, followed her families to pilgrimage in Lourdes.
1961, Anita Guidote Guanzon decided to establish the Grotto Shrine. She believed that the improvement of her condition was a miracle, but the doctors who diagnosed her for cancer proposed that she will only live for 6 months, but she went on to live for 3 more decades.
The Guanzon started the plan to build the replica of the Rosary Basilica in Lourdes, France. After the death of Anita Guidote Guanzon in 1990, the management of Grotto Shrine was entrusted to their children, who oversaw the completion of the replica.
One of the best destinations is the Holy Spring Water, where it's free and only water. That has miraculous healing, where many people swear healed.
There's area at the visit at the Grotto Church. This is first station of the cross, curved hills.
Second, Rosary Hill. That will you go around to complete the prayer of Rosary. Starting from Apostles' Creed, the sign of the cross, going up to Our Father, Hail Mary, Glory be, meditation of mystery, and so on.
Here in Grotto, we had an amazing food vendors and also some foods that you might try, like snacks, drinks, or some pasalubong that you want.
Here outside of this church, you will see some vendors offering some statue of God, or we might call Santo Niño or Mama Mary.